Hello, math thinkers. There is something happening in the United States of America this year, in the year 2020. It's something that people in the United States are doing, we hope they're all doing because they're supposed to do this, is to count the number of people who live in each home. Apartment, trailer home, house. And then the United States government collects all those numbers, adds them together, and then uses that information to help make our lives better. When we count all the people in the country, that's called the census. Census. You write that down. The census is a way that our country keeps track of who and how many people are living in our nation. The census, here's the word, the census count is used to help us decide where in the country we need new representatives in the government. Or it tells us information about how many schools we need, or if roads should be fixed. All kinds of things that we do every day are determined by the census. So it's important for families to complete the census. It's a bunch of questions. It doesn't take very long. Our household, it means the people who live in this house, took the census about a week ago. So my husband and I worked on that. You answer questions. Who lives in the house? Are there children? And it happens every 10 years. So it's an important thing. There has not been a census in the United States of America in 10 years. That year was 2010 or 2010. In the year 2020, this year, the census is back. Now, I have a census from 20 years ago, a census map that I'll show you, and really value this map. I've never seen one like it before. It's very big. The census from 2000, the year 2000, was this really super big map. I'm going to step way back and step way over here and show you as best I can. I think this might be one of the biggest maps I own. This map shows the United States of America in the year 2000. And by each state, it shows things like the capital city, like in Washington, that is Olympia. And then it shows important cities, like Seattle is important in the state of Washington. And then it tells the number of people who live in each of those states. Some states have what we consider few people. Some have many people. It's about comparing more or less. Which states have more people? Which states have less people? States that have more people should have more representatives in the government. Or more roads because more people are using them. Or roads should be fixed, or bridges should be fixed because more people are using them. This is a really big picture of who lives in our country by numbers. For tomorrow's math, I'm going to take the camera and move around and show you different states and different places. But I want you first to see this, and hopefully, carefully fold this back up. When your family talks about the census, that they will complete their census form and then send it back to the census office, and then probably the end of this year, 2020, or into 2021, we as a nation's people will start hearing about the counts. Which states have grown because more people have moved there. Like Washington has had a lot of people move here since the census in 2010. Or which states have dropped population. That's the count of people in a place. Population. Please ask your family if they know about the census and if they've completed the census. And hopefully you'll encourage your families to do that, and they might even let you watch as they complete the form if they haven't done it yet. More information about the census throughout this